Hey everyone, Dr. Ahmad Al-Hassiny here from IDD. And today I'm sharing my updated thoughts on the iTero Lumina after some testing in the clinic, and of course after their restorative update. Now those of you who have followed my reviews over the years know I've been quite critical on the iTero scanners because, well, frankly, the iTero Element and Element 5D left quite a bit to be desired, especially in a restorative aspect. When I first tested the Lumina itself back in February last year at the Chicago Midwinter Meeting, my initial impressions were reserved, to be frank. However, I have to be honest, a lot has changed with this restorative update they released in March this year. And frankly, even I am impressed, and I've been testing it for over a month in my practice. Now, those of you who are not familiar with the iTero Lumina, I would recommend you check out my unboxing video of it and read my blogs, as I've covered the unboxing and what comes with this device extensively. Right now, let's talk about what's new. The iTero Lumina has genuinely become one of my favorite scanners to use lately, and I'm not saying this lightly. This is coming from someone who has tested basically all intraoral scanners on the market and has been, again, very critical of iTero in the past. So what's changed? Well, firstly, the textures. The scanning textures on the Lumina are absolutely incredible. You'll see them on the screen, and they are some of the nicest I've seen from any scanner on the market. The level of detail, the color reproduction, and the overall quality of the visual output is stunning, quite frankly. And it's a testament to this new technology that they are using in the camera. When you look at the Lumina scans, it genuinely looks photorealistic in a way that many scanners can't match, and not cartoony at all. Second, the workflows have improved dramatically. The March update at IDS has transformed how the scanner operates. I mean, iTero scanners traditionally were not very good restoratively, and what used to feel clunky and very unintuitive is now a lot better. There is still room for improvement, but the user experience is night and day compared to previous iTero models. But here's the real game changer. The iTero design suite is amazing. The integration with various platforms and the overall ecosystem that iTero has built is impressive. exocad on the cloud. They are one of the first companies to move to putting the whole CAD software on the cloud. Now granted, it's right now mainly for select indications, splints, crowns, inlays, that sort of thing, but it's impressive to see. To me, this is a total game changer, and I'm not exaggerating. As someone who uses exocad regularly, having it available seamlessly in the cloud through the iTero platform is one of the nicest workflows I've tried. It's probably as nice as CEREC workflow, and that's actually saying something. It flows well, the integrations are tight, and it works on any computer. When I first tried it, I think last year, it was laggy and I wasn't impressed, but over the months and months, the company has vastly improved it, and I recommend anyone to try it at a trade show. It's kind of mind-blowing how we now have exocad on the cloud. And also the scanner performance itself is excellent. It's fast, and it puts the scanner right up there with some of the fastest scanners available. The AI handling in particular of soft tissues is superb, and just generally the scanning experience is reliable and efficient. And I've used it across many indications that you'll see on the screen: edentulous, all on X, implants, crowns and bridges, etc. But what about some of the drawbacks I've experienced? Because there are a couple. And one of the biggest ones still is the scanner head size. And the company is going to hate me for saying this because I've been bagging them about the iTero size for many years. And yes, it's better than previous iTero models, but it's still one of the wider and larger scanner heads on the market right now. Now, the larger scanner head does give you increased field of view, making the scanner very fast, but it's still harder to scan the distal areas of upper sevens, for example, compared to other scanners I have tried. Despite this, I have to say the iTero Lumina has changed my perspective on iTero as a company. I mean, I feel like this scanner, especially with the restorative update, puts them back in the premium scanner market in a big way. I'm not kidding, this exocad on the cloud is amazing, and the combination of excellent scan quality, improved workflows, just makes this a compelling choice. One thing, it is expensive. Yes, it's still one of the most expensive scanners on the market. But for practices that can justify the investment, especially those already working with Invisalign and needing an Invisalign scanner, or for those who just want the iTero design suite, it's certainly feeling like it may be more worth it than ever before. For those of you who wrote off iTero based on their previous scanners, like I did, honestly, it might be time to take another look. The Lumina represents a significant step forward for the company and could genuinely be worth considering. And I don't say this lightly, as one of the biggest iTero critics ever. I'll be doing a full comprehensive review soon, but I wanted to share these initial thoughts because honestly, I was surprised by how much this scanner has grown on me. I didn't know a restorative update and some improvements to software would make me think twice. So that's my take on the iTero Lumina right now in 2025. Thanks for watching, and as always, head to instituteofdigitaldentistry.com for all the latest information in digital dentistry. And keep an eye out for my full review on the iTero Lumina coming soon. Thanks for watching.